Hi, today I'm in Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application. And after that, tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see here the two Google accounts, which if you wanna log out from this account now in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, click to one from these available accounts and tap to remove. Then confirm your action by click here to remove account, and that's it. So let's just go back to the the Gmail application. Let's refresh it, and we can see that in application we also stay on with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.